Hi, welcome back. In this video, I am going to create a YouTube channel. This is a complete playlist of YouTube paid ad campaign, YouTube Google ad campaign. So in this video, I am going to create a Google YouTube account. So first of all, before starting this video, let me introduce myself. I am Amin. I'm a top rated digital marketing specialist. If you need any help, consultation or training, let me contact on my WhatsApp number or any other social site. So first of all, you have to go YouTube. Okay, then click YouTube. Then after clicking YouTube, you will get after interfacing, you will get the option in the right corner. Click this option and here you can see create a channel. Please click the option and you have to give your name. So I will give LTK SEO. Okay, LTK SEO. This is our YouTube channel name. Okay, I have a picture. I will upload a picture. Okay, just upload from my computer. I already have a logo. I just upload my logo, and after uploading the logo, okay, done. Then it is processing and my YouTube channel is going to create. Now click the create option. After clicking create option, YouTube channel is going to create. Okay, so here you can see our channel already created. Now we can upload video. Before uploading the video, we need to customize our channel. Okay, so I'm going to customize something. This is studio.youtube.com. just click this one. This is our channel. We need to also upload a photo. I will upload a letter and cover photo, name LTK SEO, and we need to write a description. So about yourself, just copy this one from our website and paste here. Okay, thus people easily can find out our YouTube channel. Okay, just paste this one. Okay, then add language. Our main language is English. Just click this one. I'm finding English. Okay, then channel name, channel description, translation language. We just click this one. Translation language also will be English in United Kingdom. And channel description, I just paste our channel description and enter our channel name LTK SEO. Okay, it is done. LTK SEO and other link. We can add other link or contact information. We'll share our contact information here. Just contact us. No email found. Just I will use our email. Oh, here our email. Just copy this one. Copy and paste here. People easily can find out. Okay, and video watermark, I will upload our logo, thus people cannot copy video. End of the video. Okay, that's fine. So now I'm going to publish. So everything is fine. Now we need to upload a banner. If you create a banner, then you can also upload. So maybe there has a multiple option. So there has a no video, no views, no comment, no subtitles. Okay, but when we upload a video, then we will get the our content option. So hopefully this video is useful, how to create a YouTube channel. And in the next video we will learn how to upload a YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching this video.